Thanks for watching, everyone. If you are looking for a lot more detail, I will link a longer video. It's about 20 minutes long. I ended up making that one about a week ago and decided maybe it's too long for some people. So then I made the shorter version. But yeah, for those of you that do want more information, definitely check out that video. And stay tuned for my Patreon account. I am working on setting up that. And I think that's where I'll probably end up offering plans. I'm not sure if I'll do membership style or just sell plans individually. Whatever I end up doing, I'll try to keep the costs as low as possible for you guys. And yeah, I guess that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.